Okay, we just came from store because I had to get something in the store, and he was asking to get a ticket and scratch off ticket, and you know how much he won.
To do because I can't wait. I always.
Great.
Why always keep coming? Why always keep coming back?
Grounded today, Dan. You're going to be grounded today. We want you to eat to finish your food now. Okay, Daddy, baby. Love you. Have a blessed day.
See the chin. See the looking chin.
Did you take your pills? Your wallet? Even Nikki's? Oh. Please pray, come. Okay, let's go check what's in their lunchbox. Well, today they ask to have Nutella sandwich, so that's what I made for their lunch. So brother lunchbox, he have this for snacks, and it's either this one is hers, I mean his snacks, or this one. But after you know, after they eat lunch, they have to have something or treat, a treat. And this is actually cantaloupe fruit, and yogurt, and the sandwich I made. And we just have water. They always bring, or I always put water only, no juice. They only can drink juice at home, so I don't want, I don't want them to drink too much juice. And also Aldi, same thing right here. We have sandwich, this treat, we have a string cheese, and please brush your teeth now. Drink water, drink water. And this one here is actually mixed colors, but she didn't like the other colors. I just picked those, the yellow, which I think this is potato and grapes, and just water. She actually loves water. She don't drink anything else but water. And that's for their what's in their lunchbox. That's why I want them to eat breakfast, really eat good breakfast, because I know sometimes they don't eat that much in school. They just ask those sandwiches that it's not really healthy, but I want them to eat, because in the school too I don't like the food there. So that's their lunchbox. I'm ready to take my boy to school now. Alright, right now I'm college my hair. I'm going to drop off my boy to school, and my girl right here, she is eating. Well, Ati's going to watch her for right now while watching her show. So don't forget, Ate, to give her what's this, crackers. Where's my, so we're a little late now. Now time to go. Right. Then put your alright. Take that to me. Here we go. Okay, right now I'm here in Walmart. I have to stop by to get something because I'm out of wipes again and milk for the baby, and I only have like 10 minutes 15 minutes to get these things or stuffs, because Ati have to go to school too. So let's see. And have to do this. This right here, he likes this. That's for right now. This milk here. See this right here. Let's get my shotgun here. This one here. That's why I always put something hold it to. And milk. It's organic. So actually, she is 1 year old now, and she don't like the taste of her the powder milk. Babies powder milk. She don't like the taste no more. So that's why I tried this one here, and she likes it. So. I believe that's it for right now. Like I said, I only have like 15 minutes to get this. So, yan po, nasa bahay na ako. And I'm here at home now. Baby is still here. Baby love. Oh, she just dropped it right here. Well, I always change this anyway actually it's every once a week. Now I have to do this one twice a week now because sometimes hi baby love. You okay? That is not supposed to be your morning snacks. Gotta give that to her. That's why is that early? Huh? Did you drink? Okay. So right now, house is like that. So messy. That's every day. Like I said, before I go to bed, I have to clean up the house because I want when I wake up, the house is clean. But after after breakfast, it's always like that. Preparing breakfast and lunch for kids. So that's what happened always. And well, living room is all right. Just the kitchen actually. So you okay? Naglilinis siya. Cleaning her shoes.
Yes, please. Everybody stop.
Well, tell them stop stepping on my shoes. Spray. Spray all the way.
Bye, Gushini.
Bye, Shini.
What is that name?
Love you. Have a blessed day. Just spray all the way. May the blessing be with you. Ito na nahulog. Yeah. Here is so sleepy now. That's it na kami. Hello. Nilalagay ko talaga ito after giving her bath and her bedtime at night kasi nag-ano ito to calm down the baby and give you a calm feeling. give her vitamins every time after I my background. Every time after I give her I mean feed her in the morning. Vitamins, this is actually with iron vitamins. So multivitamins. So I always give her vitamins every morning after she eat. It's nap time. She actually sleep with us here in our bedroom because I don't like her being by herself in her bedroom, own bedroom. So sleep with us. Yeah, thank you, Lord. All right, put it down. Okay. And well, let me turn this on first before, because it's kind of dark in here because I want it dark so she going to fall asleep quick. Her songs, music, uh, yeah. Oh, that's her favorite right there. Now right here, hold on. I know. And this right here, I always turn this on because that's like blocking the making noise from outside. It's like a fan. It's actually what do you call that? That's not a regular fan, but it's a different fan. Like when you have a stuffy nose or you cannot breathe. I forgot the name, but anyway, yeah. And lay down, my love. Right here, down. There you go. And she likes eating blanket. That's why I always make sure this blanket always washed like twice a week. Like I said, I have to change this sometimes every other day. I have to change her bed covers or this one, and I have to put this one here too to block the. Sometimes I need to get in to get something, so at least he's not going to. I just have to leave it there. Sometimes she cries a little while, but she will find after. So right now, like I said, my drink right here. This is vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and I put a little bit of honey to make it at least a taste not so nasty. And my food, I already prepared food because when she heard any noise here, a little noise, she's not going to sleep. That's why I always clean, like doing dishes, because dishes makes noise. So I had to do it first before I'm going to put her in bed. So when she go to bed, at least the house is clean. I'm not going to make a noise, just sitting down on the couch or eating, and wait till she's going to wake up and to pick up brother. And I have actually laundry need to do, but I'm going to do it after I'm going to pick up my son. So right now it's me time now until like, because sometimes I fall asleep to take a nap if I don't have nothing to do. Right now I have a little just a little bit to clothes to fold. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to eat and maybe just relax for a little while before I'm going to pick up my boy. So bye for now. Let me drink this first. Yes, she's now awake, and she's now awake. She already drank her milk, and mommy already took a shower, and time to change diapers so we can pick up Kuya. Change your diaper when we get back home. Right. Time to go. Let's go. Time to get Kuya. Pick up time. Yeah. So I have snacks for her while waiting Kuya in the line. Because sometimes, she always cry if she didn't have nothing in her mouth. So I have to have something for her. And it's now 1:12. The release time is 2 o'clock. I used to go before. I have to bring this one, her leftover. Well, it was like, I think I put 6 ounces. She drank good actually. Right now, I have my coffee. I had to make coffee today. Well, sometimes I do bring coffee because it makes me sleepy while waiting there, and I'm scared driving, like I'm sleepy. But the problem is because Daddy lost all natuloy si Daddy, his coffee cups. Wait, my love. She cannot wait now. When she's in car seat, she don't want to stay still. I got this Dove coffee. I like to put more coffee mate than the coffee because it's okay, perfect. And most especially it's raining. Not that hard rain, but at least, good thing it's not pouring. Then it was Wednesday. Wednesday it was pouring hard rain. Good thing right now it's just sprinkling. Okay, now time to go to get my boy. I'm ready. I have my coffee and everything is ready. Time to go get my boy. So I'll see you in the school. And let me turn this off. Here you go. Are you ready? So yes, I am. I've been waiting for you here a long time ago. Okay. Because I'm watching TV too. Let's turn it off. All right. Okay, we just came from store because I had to get something in the store, and he was asking to get a ticket and scratch off ticket, and you know how much he won.
You are crazy. Smash the like button.
He won.
That's why I'm a winner.
He's a winner. That's right. He won $10.
So
worth $2. We spent only like $2.
So
I think
he
won.
I think
And
I'm going to the arcade again. You guys smash that like button on the other video that she dropped me off. No, I didn't mean to pick me up.
Next time again, we're gonna win
like that.
thousands of these. It's really a good job. Because he has to get scratch up. You know, kids, they don't allow kids to get a scratch up. So of course, I'm the one who get a scratch up. And she's been asking the number to get it. He won $10.
I don't know why. Oh, good guys.
And we're home now, actually. And don't do that. Ouch. That's hurt. Alright. So the world I see